Hello folks, today we're doing an inspection here, and actually this is some company that comes in here, one of these con companies. There are some great foundation companies, waterproof companies, and then there are the cons, and here is one of the cons. So this is what I want to show you, what you're looking for. So they got drain tile up underneath here. They've cut all this back out, and so you can see I got two different pours here. So I don't know if they had an old one or a new one, but what I do know this is, look here in this new section here, what they've done is they put this they literally put the drain tile on top of the footer instead of just right below it, and now I don't hardly have any room for any concrete. So listen to it, if you can hear it. A little bit solid here, it's hollow here, listen here. Come on down here. It's already, hear that hollow? And it's already cracking, see that? You can see the cracks already happening in this. And it's brand new. So this is what you're looking for, and this is a con. Watch out, beware. Hey, if you like our videos, hit like and subscribe. We'd greatly appreciate any and all help, and you can share with your friends. I would really greatly appreciate your help. Thanks folks, have a great day.